Okay, so there's 3 little ducklings that got in there, and I am trying to somehow see if I can get them up. I had to dig up a plant, but unfortunately this here is a 6-foot hole. But I think I'll try to fill it up with water and see if they can swim up. There you can hear them. I think that's the way to do it. Okay, I see the ducklings down there. This here is slowly filling up with water. Oh, I hope it works. There's, I think, 3 of them. I'll try to turn up the water a little bit more. I try to call the Humane Society, but they're pretty useless. Oh, there they are. Oh, I hope you can see them. Come on, little ducklings. You know what? I'm going to just dig in and get them. Because the water is seeping out here and it's not... Come on. Okay. Oh, I don't like the... There they are. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's so many of them. Oh, there's 4. There they are, the poor little guys. Okay, so we found the mother. She's right out there, and she's been hearing the little babies that's in there. So as soon as they're close enough, we'll let them go. Okay, let's go set them loose. The problem is we got some angry guys here. Okay, so now she's close enough, and it's time to let these little guys loose. Say bye, Nicholas. Say bye. Okay, let's set them loose. 4 of them. Okay, guys, bye. Off they go. Over to their mama. And that is the end of a great story. And they're saying, hi, where were you? And kiss, kiss, kiss.
Hi. That's the story because why you wanted to keep them home?
Because they need their mother. Don't you think that was good?